How to exit PDB and allow program to continue? I'm using the PDB module to debug a program. I'd like to understand how I can exit PDB and allow the program to continue onward to completion. The program is computationally expensive to run, so I don't want to exit without the script attempting to complete. Continue doesn't seem to work. How can I exit PDB and continue with my program?
Continue should continue execution, only stop when a breakpoint is encountered, so you've got a breakpoint set somewhere. To remove the breakpoint, if you inserted it manually. Or if you are using pdb.set_trace, you can try this, although if you are using PDB in more fancy ways, this may break things.
If you really wish to exit the debugger, then you need to run something like WinDeb, which allows you to detach from the process and then exit the debugger. NB, it is multi-platform. If you would like to continue debugging but no longer stop at a given breakpoint, then you need to make a note of the breakpoint number or the file and line number, comma, either CLBP_number or clear file column line to permanently remove the breakpoint, or disable PB_number to toggle it off but be able to toggle it back. Then continue and your program run until then next different breakpoint is hit. For more detail on the above, see the manual.
A simple Ctrl-D will break out of PDB. If you want to continue rather than breaking, just press C rather than the whole continue command.
The answer from @Voithos is correct, so I'll just add one alternative in the case where you are using set_trace. Yes, the pdb.set_trace equals lambda column nunhack works okay, but not if you have other breakpoints set and want to re-enable it later on. To me, this points to the fact that unfortunately PDB is missing a bunch of functionality, even basic stuff like display lists, and this is another case. The good news is that PDB++ is a great drop-in replacement for PDB, and one of the things it solves is exactly the problem of disabling set_trace. So you can simply do, and then at the PDB++ prompt type. If you want to re-enable later, unsurprisingly this works. Easy, and you will get lots of other useful goodies on top of that.